Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is how to make money online without paying anything. Number 1, become a virtual assistant. With the number of solopreneurs increasing, virtual assistants are seeing a sharp increase in demands for their services. Number 2, do research online. Many companies in different industries hire web researchers to find out the most relevant and dependable sources of info for them. Then they share that info with their clients to help them make informed business decisions. You can apply to work on their task. All you need is a computer and internet access. Number 3, transcribe audio and video files. Though artificial intelligence is emerging as a tool to help with speech-to-text transcriptions, it's far from perfect. Therefore, many companies rely on transcriptionists to turn audio from videos and speech files into accurate text. Number 4, set up a Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that helps artists and creators get paid. Through this platform, fans can subscribe to projects by paying a subscription. If you regularly create videos, podcasts, or music and have a following, you can join Patreon to let your most passionate fans support your work via a monthly membership. Number 5, review websites and apps. I personally love this one. This is another way to make money online for free. Here are some companies you can join. User testing. Try My UI as well as Testbirds. None of these companies require you to pay a sign-up fee, so you can start reviewing websites and making money without any investment. Number 6, join an affiliate program. When you join an affiliate program and earn commission by promoting products and services or brands on different platforms, once you're accepted, you'll receive an affiliated link to share with others. Number 7, launch a YouTube channel. When you join YouTube, you create content, grow your channel, and start earning. Number 8, participate in focus groups. If you enjoy sharing your insights and opinions with people, you can partake in market research studies and make money while you're at it. Number 9, become an online travel agent. If you know where to find the best flight deals and vacation packages, then this job is just for you. Number 10, sell photos online. I've listed a few of the best websites to sell your photos online and make money from it. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and comment.